Run with endurance. Let's remove everything that slows us down, especially the sins that easily trip us. And let's run with patience the race God has set for us. We do this by keeping our focus on Jesus. In the ancient Olympic Games, running was one of the first and main events. That's why the New Testament often uses running as a metaphor for the Christian life. In those times, races started as short sprints of about 200 yards, but gradually became longer over time. The modern marathon is inspired by a story of a Greek soldier, Pheidippides, who ran from Marathon to Athens to announce victory in a battle. After delivering the message, he collapsed and died. The Christian life is like a long-distance race that lasts a lifetime. Our goal is to become more like Jesus and reach the ultimate prize in heaven. It's not a sprint where we use all our energy at once, but a steady journey that requires patience and endurance. Ancient runners often stripped away anything that might slow them down, and the Bible encourages us to do the same by letting go of the distractions and sin. Let us close our eyes. Father, as we run the race you have set before us, help us to keep going with the patience and focus on Jesus. Don't let us get distracted or give up on becoming more like Him. Amen.